Sound problems are common for Windows 11 users. You might find that there is no sound at all, that the sound suddenly stops, that audio only works with headphones, or that the speaker icon displays an error. These issues can result from incorrect settings, driver problems, Windows services stopping, hardware issues, or software conflicts. This guide offers a clear and detailed solution to fix sound problems in Windows 11. Follow each step carefully in the order given. Common symptoms of sound problems in Windows 11. Before fixing the issue, it is important to understand the symptoms. No sound from speakers or headphones. Volume icon shows, or sound works in some apps but not others. Sound disappears after a Windows update. The microphone works, but the speakers do not. Sound works only after restarting the computer. If you are experiencing any of the issues mentioned above, this guide will help you resolve them.
Step 1. Check basic volume and output device settings.
Many sound problems are caused by simple misconfiguration. 1. Check volume level. Click the speaker icon on the right side of the taskbar. Make sure the volume slider is not muted. Increase the volume to at least 50%. 2. Select the correct output device. Click the arrow greater than next to the volume slider. A list of available audio output devices will appear. Select the correct device, such as Speakers Realtek audio headphones, HDMI audio for monitors or TVS. If the wrong output device is selected, sound will not work even though the volume is high. Step 2. Restart Windows Audio services. Windows Audio depends on background services. If they stop, the sound will not work. Steps press Windows. Hua. Type services Messi and press End. Lolo operating service. Windows Audio Window. Right-click each service and select Restart. Double-click the service and ensure Startup type Automatic. Service status Running. Restart your computer after completing this step. Step 3. Run the Windows Sound Troubleshooter. Windows 11 includes a built-in troubleshooter that can automatically detect and fix sound issues. Steps. Open Settings. Go to System, Sound, scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Select your output device. Follow instructions. This tool automatically checks drivers, services, and configuration issues. Step 4. Check sound device settings in Control Panel. Sometimes sound is disabled or misconfigured in Advanced Settings. Steps. Right-click the speaker icon. Select Sound Settings. Under Output, click your speaker device. Check the following: Audio Enhancements, Turn Off. Volume seta, balance make, sure light equal. Change audio format scroll to Advanced. Change format. 16 menos bit 40,000 what equaled. Click Apply. Step 5. Disable exclusive mode. Some applications can block sound by taking exclusive control. Steps. Open Sound Settings. Click More Sound Settings. Go to the Playback tab. Right-click your speaker. Properties. Go to Advanced. Uncheck. Allow applications to take exclusive control. Give exclusive mode applications priority. Plep. OK. Step 6. Update audio drivers important. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers are a major cause of sound problems. Method 1. Automatic driver update. Right-click Start. Open Device Manager. Expand Sound. Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Restart your PC after updating. Step 7. Reinstall audio drivers recommended. If updating does not work, reinstalling the driver often fixes the issue. Steps. Open Device Manager. Right-click your audio device. Click on Install Device. Check Delete the driver software for this device. Click on Install. Restart your computer. Windows 11 will automatically reinstall the correct driver. Step 8. Install official audio driver from manufacturer. If sound still does not work, you must install the correct driver manually. For laptops, visit the manufacturer's website. HP, Dell, Lenovo Asus, ESA. Search using your model number, then download the for Wizelen. Install it and restart your computer. For desktops, identify your motherboard brand Asus, MSI, Gigabyte. Download the Realtek or audio driver from the official website. Step 9. Check Windows Update. Sometimes Microsoft releases audio fixes through Windows Update. Steps. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Install all available updates. Restart the computer. Step 10. Check BIOS audio settings. If audio is disabled in BIOS, Windows cannot detect sound hardware. Steps. Restart the computer. Enter BIOS, usually F2, Dell, ESC, or F10. Look for onboard audio. HD audio. Ensure it is enabled. VAX. Step 11. Test with headphones or external speakers. This helps identify hardware problems. If headphones work, gives internal speakers may be faulty. If headphones do not work, gives driver or motherboard issue. Step 12. Check for third-party software conflicts. Some applications interfere with sound. Audio managers. Virtual audio software. Screen recording tools. Try. Uninstalling recently installed audio-related software. Restarting the PC. Testing sound again. If conflicts persist, move to resetting sound settings as a last resort. Steps. Go to Settings. Ceasing. Sound. Scroll down. Click Reset Sound Devices and Volumes. Restart PC.